Would you like to know another one of the reasons, the main reasons why salons fail at their marketing? Well, we're going to cover another one of the 8 that we're doing in this playlist. So get your pencil and paper, get ready to take notes because this is a powerful one. You don't want to miss this because this will help drive traffic. Hello tribe, welcome. If you've just joined us, I'm Ahlquist. I want to welcome you to the Thirsty Warrior tribe. We are all about growing salons and small businesses. I'm working on a playlist series about 8 of the main reasons that I have seen salons over the years failing at their marketing. And even more so now, currently, presently in 2020, the year of whatever we want to call it, that people are failing. And it's call to action, CTA. Call to action. Salons consistently fail on their websites, in their social media posts for a call to action. Now, I don't want you to confuse with asking for a sale because we're going to get to another video on that because we're on social media, we are entirely too much overboard asking people to buy something from us. That's not what this is about. Call to action is asking them to do something so you can build a relationship with them. Let's take websites. On your website, on the very first thing when they see it, when it pulls up the home page, you have your banner and it's all pretty and everything, I get that, and then you're gonna start talking to them in some form. But right there on the first, above the fold, that's what they call it, before they have to scroll down to see more, the bottom of your screen, everything above that, what they first see is above the fold. You want to have a little button somewhere that's a call to action, not a call to a sale, but just to make them act and do something. And one of the main purposes of it is for you to collect emails. Now let's stop for a moment. Emails. You know what? I've seen most salons, yeah, you're pretty good at getting emails for your clients, and you got your salon management software at the front desk, and you got their histories, and bang, 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 you plow in their email address and you can communicate with them. I'm not talking about that. I want you to realize the value in the asset of emails from people who don't come to your salon. People who visit your website, people who are reading your post on social media, people that you meet once you leave your business. You're at a grocery store, whatever, you're at a concert, you meet people. Hey, how you doing? What do you do? Blah, blah, blah. And you exchange information. You want their email address because now you can create a relationship and a dialogue with them. So you want a call to action on your website, and you want it several places on your website, not just once, one place in one area. You want it several times to keep asking and saying the same thing. Now, for instance, one of the things I like is I like to give away value. I like to give away checklists and, like for instance, if you check down in the description before you leave this video, down there I've got 2 downloads that you can do absolutely free. And one of them is 13 reasons why social media in your business is non-negotiable. You want to catch those 13 things. All you do is you just click on the link, put in your email, boom, I'm going to send it out to you. That's a call to action. You want that in your website and you want that in your post. Now, when it comes to social media posts, stop selling everybody all the time. I have a girl out in the East Coast, has a salon. 7 years ago, I turned her on to she should have a Twitter account because that was her kind of, how do I want to say it, was kind of her kind of deal because of her personality and behavioral type, that I thought Twitter was best for her as opposed to like a Facebook. And she dove into it, and I just checked on her not too long ago. She's still on it after 7 years. She's still posting. I looked and it was amazing. She only had 134 people following her after 7 years. I started looking at all of the different posts that she was doing. Oh my gosh. Sell, 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 sell. Come buy this. Mother's Day, buy one, get one free. Buy a membership. Blah, blah. Sell, sell, sell. That's why she only has 134 members. People are sick and tired of being sold. Teach her something, give her value, make her feel good about herself. That's part of beauty. What you want to do is you want to give value, and then you want to ask them, a call to action would be to click on this link and get a free download of something, a checklist, a blog that they can print out, an inspirational quote that they can print out on nice paper and hang it. Give them the quote in the post, then say click on this link and get the free download of that quote. That's a call to action, and that's what we call, get this now, a transactional call to action. You're creating a transactional relationship. They're engaging with you. That is one of the steps on the way to trust. And when they trust you, now you can ask them to buy from you. Why? You have earned the right. We have to earn the right to ask people to do business with us. If we don't earn the right, they don't know you from Adam, and they just blow right past your posts, and they won't subscribe to you on YouTube. They won't follow you on social media. So call to action has to be on your website, sprinkled in different places, on your post, and that's what people are failing at in their marketing. I hope you liked this. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Would you leave me a question down in the description? Don't forget to get the free download that I have available for you. Subscribe and join our tribe, and here's some more information coming right up.